हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो आई वेलकम यू ऑल इन दी डिस्कशन। और ये जो डिस्कशन है ये पूरी सीरीज चलने वाली है जो आपका एग्ज़ाम अभी रिसेंट में हुआ है CSIR फरवरी 2022 में। उसके सारे ही क्वेश्चंस को वन बाय वन हम देखेंगे और हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे व्हाट इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट एंड ट्रिकी पॉइंट इन दिस क्वेश्चन। तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ पार्ट बी में और पार्ट सी में। पार्ट बी के अराउंड 18 क्वेश्चंस विच आर वेरी वेरी इजी, राइट? Yes, I accept that in part C there is a little bit difficult question also, but in this around 10 question in part C which are basically at average level, right? So आप यहाँ से 18 क्वेश्चन पार्ट बी के और 10 क्वेश्चन, मैं नहीं कहता हूँ पूरे 20 क्वेश्चन, बट यस 10 क्वेश्चंस ऐसे थे जहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन को अगर शॉर्टलिस्ट करते तो क्वेश्चन को आप आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते थे। तो चलिए यहाँ पे मैं सारे ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाला हूँ पार्ट बी के और पार्ट सी के। तो चलिए सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस। और देखिए कितने इजी इजी क्वेश्चंस, कुछ क्वेश्चंस तो ऐसे थे जहाँ पे पेशेंस के साथ हम सॉल्व करते तो बहुत आराम से मोर देन 100 मार्क्स आराम से हम गेन कर सकते थे ओनली फ्रॉम पार्ट बी एंड पार्ट सी। सो चलिए देखते हैं। एफ जेड बी ए नॉन कांस्टेंट इंटायर फंक्शन and z is given what, x plus iota y, where u and v denote the real and imaginary part respectively. देखिए this is fz that is given what, non constant entire function. Let z is basically you know that is the complex number x plus iota y, whatever given we just first write this one, u x y, this is real part, and v x y, this is the imaginary part. This is already given in this problem. Now next is what, real and imaginary part. Then which of the following statement is false? You have to tell about which of the following statement is basically false. तो आपको फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट बताना था। देखो सबसे पहले आप देखो यहाँ से यू एक्स इज इक्वल टू वी वाई। सबसे पहले यहाँ पे ये हमें दे दिया पहले से एफ जेड इज नॉन कॉन्स्टेंट इंटायर फंक्शन, दैट इज एनालिटिक फंक्शन. So we know if any function is entire function, there is 3 to 4 important result. First is basically what, it satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equation, right? Also their partial derivative must be continuous, and third important property, if it is analytic or entire, then it is also harmonic. Now we check which of the following property are useful in this case. So पहला option देखो, this is the basically first option is this one, right? This is the second option, this is the third option, and this is the फोर्थ ऑप्शन. सो चलिए वन बाई वन देखते हैं कौन कौन से ऑप्शंस करेक्ट हो सकते हैं. सो देखो दिस इज फर्स्ट इज द बेसिकली काशी रीमान इक्वेशन. यू नो इफ एफ जेड इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस आयोटा वी, where u and v are real and imaginary part respectively, then Cauchy-Riemann equation says what, del u by del x, right, is equal to del v by del y, or you can write in this format, that is ux, right, is equal to vy. And second equation is what, this is the first equation, second equation is del u by del y is equal to minus del v by del x, right? So this is the second equation of the Cauchy-Riemann. Now see, this first condition is same as it is given, ux is equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. So it satisfies. So this option is basically the true option. We have to check the false option, right? So now the second equation, यहाँ पे second equation देखिए कह रहा है uy is equal to vx. uy, no, this is incorrect statement. Basically this is not Cauchy-Riemann equation. So you can see how the questions are easy at this level. बस हमें उन क्वेश्चन को ट्रिकी तरीके से अच्छे तरीके से समझना था, राइट? दिस इज द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. नाउ द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट सेज, देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, एफ डैश यानी वन टाइम डेरिवेटिव एक्स प्लस आयोटा वाई और इसका मॉड स्क्वायर किया है. इन द थर्ड ऑप्शन, sorry, in the fourth option they have also do the same thing. But what is the difference between these two? देखो जब भी हम डेरिवेटिव की बात करते हैं, once we talk about एफ जेड is given, एफ जेड is equal to u plus iota v, right? So if we talk about derivative of this function, right, f dash z, then it is two things. either you differentiate with respect to x. Once we differentiate with respect to x partially, ux plus iota vx, and in the similar way we can differentiate this function with respect to y also, right? In the similar way we can differentiate this function with respect to y, and once you differentiate f dash z, you can also write like uy plus iota vy, right? So this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now what is the question? Its question says modulus का स्क्वायर करना है. So दोनों का मॉड लो from equation number 3. If you are taking the modulus of this function, what you will get? F dash z, you know, that is under root ux square and plus vx square. And यहाँ पे देखो ये होल स्क्वायर किया हुआ है. This is whole square. So once you do the whole square, you will get what? You will get this is ux square plus vx square. So this statement is also what? True. Just see. This third statement is also true. Now move on the fourth one. Fourth one is once you just do the modulus and square of this, तो इसका भी modulus लो, इसका modulus लेंगे, this equation number 4, right? So what you will get? Under root this is uy square and plus vy square, and once you do the whole square you will again get the same result, right? You will get this result, right? So these type of problems are asked in CSIR where we can easily detect the right option, right? So this option is, this fourth option is also true. So from this problem it is very clear, option number basically these 3, just see here, option number this second, this is the false statement, right? This is not Cauchy-Riemann equation, and the same thing is asked in this problem also. So for this it is option number second is correct, right? So this is the summary of the one question, and then we see the another question, right? And this will be in the next video. And before going to discuss about the next question, let's see, we have already started a new batch on Unacademy for the CSIR June 22, right? Those who are interested, they can join this course, right, where we are covering all the paper from basic to advanced linear algebra, real analysis, complex analysis, modern algebra, differential equation, topology, calculus of variation, numerical method, integral equation. All these paper are covered in this session, right? And this batch has already started from the 23rd. You can enroll for this if you are preparing for June 22,